Good morning. It is Tuba Billy. Oh man, just when you think nothing else can happen, there's a carcass. Our dryer goes out. The heating element stopped heating. I was like, all right, you know, I can fix this. Ordered a new heating element. Installed it. It worked. I was like, great. We can dry our clothes now. So my wife started doing laundry, and then a little while later sent me a text that the dryer's not working. I was like, what are you kidding me? So that evening I go back, sure enough, not heating again. I was like, man, come on. So I got the heating element from Amazon, and I'm just kind of riding around going random places, and so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna return it. So I did the return, told them to send me another one immediately. They did. So it came the next day, and I installed it, turned it on, and it worked for about 5 minutes, and then it stopped. I was like, gosh, come on. So something's tripping somewhere, and I don't know where. So I guess my next step is I get to either find a repair guy or find another washer. So I'm sure that there's something wrong in the electrical stuff, and it's got to be something. This is an awkward turn. You know, it's got to be something that's simple, but one, I don't really want to take apart my entire dryer just to find it. Two, it is kind of an older dryer. We bought it used, oh gosh, 10 years ago. So I mean, it's old, but I mean, dryers are pretty simple. I mean, you've got a drum, a fan, and a heater. I mean, that's basically it. So I don't understand what could be causing. It's either the thermostat or the overheat sensor. Watch out, squirrel. Oh, you distracted me, squirrel. Sharp turn. It's one of those sensors, because the element, I'm sure, still works. Because when I switched out the element, I did not switch out the sensors. And as soon as I switched out the sensors, it worked. And I was like, oh, okay. So that kind of tells me that the original problem wasn't the element, it was something, a sensor. So I don't know. I'm at a loss. If you are an appliance expert, please help me. Give me an idea of what it could be before I go and spend a few $100s. And it's cold, and my visor keeps fogging up, and I'm staring directly into the sun. Oh man, but hopefully hopefully I can get it fixed soon enough so we can do our laundry. Lately we've been this whole week we've been washing clothes and then taking the taking the wet clothes to a friend's house to dry them. Oh well. It's always something, though. So, the adventure continues. Maybe we'll get it fixed. Maybe not. I don't know. So please be excellent to each other. Tuba Billy signing out. God be with you till we meet again.